YMCA Operation Backpack is in its 16th year. And basically what it is where we work with the community and businesses and our sponsors to have the people donate backpacks and school supplies. And then each of the area YMCAs would use volunteers to sort them. And then we would host distributions and get them out to the kids and families in the YMCA neighborhoods across the greater Houston area. Back when we started planning already a year ago from this point, but in March, we were right after the pandemic hit, we were meeting with our partners and saying, how are we going to do this? We can't do the collections the way we used to. And so everybody went back and forth. We used to set up a tent at the TV station and set it up for 3 days, kind of like a giant warehouse to collect and sort everything. And they just said, no, we can't do that. So we decided on a virtual campaign this year where we would focus solely on getting the contributions through donations, monetary donations. And then we worked with our HEB partner to purchase the supplies and the backpacks in bulk. And then those were distributed straight to our YMCA centers. And so we didn't have to do any distributions. We didn't have to enlist volunteers, break any safety protocols. And we were able to distribute the same amount of backpacks and school supplies that we did last year, and we even exceeded our goal. So our goal was 30,000. Last year we distributed 28,000, and we actually were able to purchase 30,700. And so 30,700 is our official number in terms of what we were able to raise through the contributions of generous donors, individuals and businesses, and then we were able to get those back out into our schools. And then there's the whole dilemma, like, I don't know, do kids really need school supplies if they're not going back to school, if they're going to learn at home? The answer is yes. They need a pencil, they need tablets, they need paper, they need journals, composition notebooks, crayons, all those sort of things they need at home just as well as they need them in their classroom to learn and do their work, because not everything they can do is virtual. And now going into the school year, we've been able to set up these learning centers. And so they're all-day programs. We have technology set up in there for our families who don't have technology at home. And the YMCA can help make sure that they have that. We have certified teachers that are coming in to assist with the learning curriculum that they need. And then we're doing the rest of the things that we do as the YMCA after-school provider with enrichment, social emotional learning, providing their, a lunch and snacks, and making sure they're, kind of having some activity, social engagement with each other. I just want to show appreciation to everyone that helped support YMCA Operation Backpack. Didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it's turned out very well. It was very different this year. We didn't get to do a lot of hugs and touches and, that sort of thing with our families, but, they came in with notes. They wrote thank you on a cardboard and showed it to us because, they just wanted to show their appreciation again for what we were giving to them. So, and we hope to be able to serve whatever the needs are for our families during this time.